You are probably seeing those breathtaking Ghibli style images blowing up in your feed on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and the rest. Soft lighting, magical colors, and characters that feel like they have stepped out of a musical dream. Guys, but what if I told you you could create those right now with no single image and just a simple AI prompt? Sourced well, packaged well for you, and we give you this for free with no single dime. You don't need to know how to draw, no Photoshop, just pure creativity and a little source of AI. So this video, I'll break it down from step to step how you can do this with a prompt and using your own personal image. You heard me right. You will create a Ghibli style animated image with your own self. You'll be looking at yourself with the original image and also the Ghibli image. So all you need to do is to watch to the very end. So guys, welcome back to Rhino Hustle. I am Kevin Philip, your AI doctor, and on this channel I show you how to master the word AI to build, create, and make things faster than ever. So today I will show you exactly how you can create Ghibli style art using AI. Even better, and it's totally free. I will show you how you can turn your own photos into dreamy anime scene that looks straight out of the movie. Let's get started and get it straight. Guys, this is 100% free. Now, is this sound like something you want to see, sound like something interesting? Please go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the screen bell, drop a comment, share to your friends to watch so that they can also use their own pictures and turn it to Ghibli style image perfectly like it's in the movie. With that being said and done, let us get right into my laptop screen and proceed. Let's go. Alright, so guys, when you log into your ChatGPT, how to create this Ghibli style animated images is very simple. All you need to do is head on to where you can get your prompt. Like for me, I got my prompt on ChatGPT, and I also arranged some few prompts I'm going to be using for the course of this video. So let us go ahead and use this and do it fast. I'll show you two models of generating this. It's very simple. First thing you need to do when you get to ChatGPT is to go ahead and click on create image. Click on the three dots and click on create image. This is the first thing to make it know that yeah, you want to create image. Then paste the prompt. Now this is the prompt, and make sure this Ghibli style is in your prompt for it to understand what you want. Now it takes some time to generate, so we need to be patient with it because it's 100% free, no credit. So just smash on the send button and it will start the generation for you. ChatGPT does this for you completely free. Like I said earlier, no single deposit is needed. The only thing is that it takes quite some time to generate. Now to save time, I'm going to be showing you the image, your own personal image model, and also the prompt model. I'm going to be using two AI to simplify this thing for you. So while this is generating for us, we head on to the next AI and start with another one. So we're going to be using what is called the Grok.AI. So guys, I'll use another prompt. I arranged about 6 prompts for this video sake. So I'll use another prompt. Let us head on to the document over here, then copy this style again, copy this prompt and head on to Grok over here and paste. So once you paste, you need to make sure you send it to Grok, and I will show you how to do this. This one doesn't give you that chance of adding the image. You can't create on create image because if you click on create image, it will give you that Ghibli style. So click on send. It will respond to you first like a normal text. Okay, I already set it to Ghibli style, so it gave me that Ghibli style instantly. But should in case it responds to you asking you whether you want it, you simply tell it yes to generate for you. So you can see how it is generating. Now on a personal note, on a personal agenda, you agree with me that this is more faster. This is more faster. Okay, now if this is not in the style you want, this is 100% Ghibli. You can see this is 100% Ghibli style, and then this is also Ghibli style. But if you want it to be more detailed, you can just heat it up. Let us go ahead and copy this, copy Ghibli style over here. All right, okay, I want the Ghibli style to be more detailed. Okay, so this is you asking it to add extra flavor to your whole image, so it will go ahead and reassess this and make it to what you want. Guys, this generates faster. Over here you can see ChatGPT is still generating, but no worries, it's trying to give you the best result. Meanwhile, the Grok is already generating this thing. Now, this particular one is more of the vibe of what we're talking about. Even without seeing the complete result, you understand that yes, this is 100% Ghibli style. Now, let us compare this with the previous one. Okay, let us compare it with the previous one over here. So you can see this one is more of a natural stuff, but then this one is more of a Ghibli style, especially this one. And it gives you two options to choose from, one that you want. All right, so let us go ahead and check out the ChatGPT if it's ready yet. Okay, it's not yet ready, so I will still use this. You can go ahead and do something. Remove the trees. Okay, let's just say remove the trees. Let's see whether you can do this for us. So click on hit. Let us see whether you can remove the trees, and let us see how it will look after those trees are being removed. Is this even possible? These are things we should be putting into consideration when we are trying to generate this. And remember, this is also for free. This is also 100% free. So I know you cannot remove all the trees, but then the first trees, some trees will be removed. We're going to be doing the comparison with the first one, and this you can see almost all the trees are removed. Okay, so let us check out the previous image and see the difference from the removal. You can see this had many, the first one had many images. See, many images. This one had many trees, I mean. Then this one has just few trees. Okay, so this has also generated the image for us. All right, so you can see according to the prompt, it generated an image for us. So let us see. Okay, let us say remove the smoke. Okay, the smoke from the chimney. Okay, let us say we hit this and see what it does for us, guys. So meanwhile, while it's generating, let us head on to our prompt box and get another prompt. Now that takes a lot of time. Actually, it takes a lot of time, so have that in mind. So let us copy this prompt and also take it here. I've used a lot of these, so my limit is just a little bit. So let's go ahead and ask this thing to be done in Ghibli style again. All right, so paste this over here. I want it to be more detailed in Ghibli style and send it. All right, my limit is zoom elapsed, so let us say I want in Ghibli style a floating island suspended in the sky holding an old wind-covered castle with windmills slowly turning. The atmosphere is serene and serene, with cloud drifting and flocks of glowing birds flying around the structure. A girl stands at the edge, hair dress blowing and the rest. So let us see what it generates, guys. So we just have some few more generation and this is done. Why ChatGPT is trying to give us what we asked for. Now, the fault is not 100% from ChatGPT. The fault is from the network you might be using, like the same me. So guys, this is just basically what we can do. It is free. You can see the previous generated one. I paid nothing for it. So I will also show you how you can do this. I have to use another account because this account has elapsed its limit. So I'll use another account and show you how you can do this with your own personal image as well. So you can see over here now. Let us see the difference in this. There was smoke from the chimney over here. You can see the smoke in the chimney, and then coming over here in the chimney there is no smoke, guys. So we have removed that successfully. If you want, you can go ahead and remove these flowers over here. Depends on what you really want to do. So meanwhile we're waiting for the other one to load, let us go ahead and upload an image to see how this can work for us. So we are going to upload an image and do this in Ghibli style. So let us go ahead and upload image from our PC. All right, so guys, just pay attention to this, and by the end of the video, if you enjoy what we are doing, please go ahead and like and subscribe, turn on the scroll bell for more updates. All right, I want this image in Ghibli, okay, Ghibli style. All right, very detailed. Okay, so we send this request as well, and it will now make our image, which will regenerate our image in Ghibli style for us. So guys, like I said earlier, my limit for this has expired, so I'm trying to get another account so that I can get this started with you. Know, I'm using a free account, so it gets limited daily. All right, so you can see our image has been generated over here, guys. This is so good. This is really good in the Ghibli style, guys. So let us head on to the next one over here. Now let us copy this prompt and alright, let us copy this prompt and go to Grok and generate our image. Okay, so send it. It will reply, mostly it replies, then you ask it to generate, guys. So you're gonna be generating in Ghibli style. Make sure you have it in mind. Ghibli style over here. So it asks you something. Would you like me to generate an image? Generate in generate in Ghibli style, and it will generate for you. That is how you get it to get this stuff for you, to generate this image for you according to the prompt. Now I also try to generate directly from my own personal image to it and see whether it can also comprehend that properly for us. Okay, so let us give it some time to load up. So you can also ask for some adjustment. For instance, look at what I would do to this particular one over here. So what should you remove in this image? Let us see. Should you remove the moon? All right, let's just try removing the moon. Remove the trees. Okay, let us remove the trees because the moon is vital. The trees from the image. Okay, remove the trees from the image, so it will still have that texture of real stuff. Instead of removing the moon, let us remove the tree from the image and let us see how it will regenerate for us. So after testing this one, I'll go ahead and do it from my own personal image the same way I did with ChatGPT, and the result it gave us, I'll try it over here and see what it also gives us. So this is really cool. This is really amazing. You can generate this for yourself with your own personal image, and boom, it is generating for us here. So let us see what it generates, and this is awesome. Now you can go ahead and do the comparison yourself. There was an image of trees over here. So look at these trees over here. You can see these trees over here. It has been removed. So coming below over here, there are no trees, but it's still the same atmosphere, guys. So now let us go ahead and upload image picture. All right, upload, select one and upload. Let us upload the same picture we used earlier to see how best it generates for us. So the picture is there. So generate. I'll paste Ghibli style. In Ghibli style, generate. Okay, generate a detailed image. All right. So generate a detailed image and let's send and see what it gives us from the image we send. Now this is a real image, but then we want to convert it in a Ghibli style. Ghibli style generate a detailed image. So let us see what it gives us at the end of the day. Now this is really fast, and I believe it's faster than ChatGPT. We're going to do a little comparison here of this, which one gives more details. All right, so this is the Ghibli style of this to the one of ChatGPT. So this one looks more realistic. Okay, let us go ahead and see the main picture we used for this and compare. Let us see which one truly fits what we want to generate, because seeing from the main picture then doing the comparison, it will help us get the real image. So this is the real stuff we generated today. So you can see clearly this is the real stuff we generated today. So going ahead to the one of ChatGPT, you can see it has the details of this person. This is me actually. You can see the image, the door, and the rest. All right, so let us go ahead with one of the Grok.AI. So you can see this is not really detailed compared to this. It's not really detailed, but then it's faster. ChatGPT takes time, but also give you the vibe. So do you want to generate this and turn it into image? If you want that to generate your Ghibli style animated image and then convert it into a video, I can do that for you. Just drop in the comment section and I will get that wrapped up for you, guys. So we have reached the end of the video, and if you have enjoyed this video so far and understand how to generate your Ghibli style animated image, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Share this video, drop a comment, and please, that like is very important to encourage us. Subscribe for more details. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.